Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Welcome back to our channel. What we have here today is a Chrysler product, mainly in a Jeep. 3.6 liter Pentastar engine with the variable valve timing. Now, the code that we had issues with on this is a P06DD. Basically says that the oil pressure is stuck on low. What we have here, this is the new part already installed. We have an oil pump. This is a dual stage oil pump. Now, primarily up in the valley, these things are common for engine oil coolers, warping, and that. This engine oil cooler has been previously replaced with a factory original oil pressure switch. So there would be no question on this. And as well, primarily on this, when you're reading your oil pressure through your scanner, if it's low, like 0 to 5 PSI, you probably got the wrong oil filter in this. This one here has the correct one. It is just reading too low for the stage that it needs for the variable valve timing. Now, as I said, this is a dual stage oil pump driven off a timing gear here, off the crankshaft. This is the solenoid here, where it's electronically controlled by the powertrain control module. From about idle to about 3,500 RPM, you'll get regular oil pressure anywhere from 30 to about 55 PSI. Once you hit above 3,500 RPM, when you need good oil pressure to activate all your variable valve timing, because it's all oil controlled, that kicks the oil pressure up 65 to about 80 pounds. In this case here, even though the solenoid is getting engaged, it is not kicking up the oil pressure. So we've tested it. It is getting actuated by the PCM, just not kicking up the oil pressure. Probably just a failed solenoid. You know, they do get used all the time, so they will go over time. Yeah, so we've got everything new on here. We've dropped the oil pan. When you're doing this is the oil pickup tube. There's an O-ring in here. Just get a new O-ring right from the dealer. Don't take the chance of reusing the old one. They get hard, they get square. You don't want to take a chance of not having the proper suction up to your oil pump if you're already chasing down an oil pressure issue. So if you have any issues with your 3.6 liter engine, feel free to give us a call here at the shop. If you found this video helpful to you, hit like and subscribe. Urban Automotive, safety first.